Shelby has a tag. It's a late hunt, November. This hunt starts the 13th, the day's the 5th, so a week from tomorrow. We're out doing a little spotting for her and trying to find some. And I can see one right now up the draw. It's a little 6-point, about 290, 5-point with him. The big bull is over here. Heard him bugling. I mean, 5th of November, and he's over there rutting. You seen him mount 2 cows last night. It was just so dang dark last night when you seen him, and it was so dang dark this morning. And he's got in the trees before we can see how big he is. But he's running around about 20 cows, and he's rutting. It'd be November. But we're hoping to find her a big one.
We'll come out tonight and see if we can get a better look at him.
Yeah, hopefully.
Well, we're up here tonight to look at that bull.
He's not as big as we
Not
thought
as big as what we thought.
300.
Yeah. He was rutting last night, crazy. He'd got with 20 cows. Yeah, see him pushing that cow. It's November 5th. Yep. Exactly what's happened. Early morning energy. We'll look for some bulls.
I'm walking down.
Well, they're gonna be in the fields here in just a second. Got the kids with tonight. We're on spotting duty. Maybe. What do you think, kids? Hunter and Lily. Well, it's November 12th, about 6 o'clock in the morning. Just headed up to check on the bulls. We've seen the last couple weeks probably close to 30 bulls. All the bulls all the bulls we've seen have been a little lower, about snow line. But Shelby's getting pretty excited. Her hunt starts tomorrow. She's coming up from St. George, so we'll go see what we can't do. We've about 3 or 4 bulls we've been seeing are shooter bulls. A couple, the top 2, there's some nice bulls. No breaks, which is nice this time of year when you get to this late hunt. You're always wanting to find a good bull with no breaks. But stay tuned. Her hunt starts tomorrow. Well, what is it today?
Big bull hunt, bed.
2021 big bull hunt.
We're gonna go
late
get it done.
season. Central Utah. Shelby's the one with the tag.
Still pretty dark out.
Yep.
You excited?
Freaking excited. Let's do this.
Let's do it.
Let's go get one.
Let's go get one. What do you got?
I got a bull, bruh.
Just waiting for it to get light enough to see. You having fun?
I'm having so much fun, bruh. I can't even look at it. Be a genius. My child is a genius.
Got everyone out today.
Yeah, right.
Families
How many's
here.
up there? You said 3, right?
There's 3 bulls. There's one right there, but we're just
How
having.
many times is it down? I need to stop. For sure.
I don't know. I'm gonna get the phone scope hooked up.
This here now, David Spot, get the different bowl. Right there, Alex. Here's the cow.
Oh, I know.
Yeah, I see him.
Oh, the herd bull?
I think the herd bull's bigger than this. And, ain't he?
Last night on the east.
Isn't the herd bull bigger than this? And
I'd like to take a look at this.
get it on the herd.
Oh, okay.
How you doing there?
Segment. What do you got, Shelby?
Some bulls.
See, I like a big frame over heavy.
Dude, that one on the left was.
I like. So that's what I like about this bull over here. Is he's got a big frame.
Well, evening hunt. Opening
Stoked.
evening. How many bulls we see this morning? 5 bulls?
5 bowls. That's 300.
Excited.
Didn't get the kill shot on film, but it was a rat race. We came up all the way from the bottom. How was that John up here? And we got up, we had Kevin and Dad spotting, and he was bedded right here. And just when I got up, I was just gonna video and didn't have time, but there's these horns sticking up, skyline right there.
One freaking shot. How many yards, Vern?
150.
Yep.
You got him, Shelb.
Woo! Did they see him drop into the nuts?
Yeah.
Oh, he tipped over back.
What do you think, man? That was beautiful.
Oh, you guys kicked me.
Shelby, you freaking.
Dude, freak, I smoked that sucker.
Well, let's go up there. Nice job, Shelb. You got it. There's her bull. There's her bull. Pretty bull. Yeah. Oh, Shelby. Here, stop right there. Look back. Smile. He done.
Hold this.
He'll grab his horns. Smell him?
Where's he broke, y'all?
His right side beam, I think.
Look, he's got this. Is
Well, he did that when he fell over.
Pick him up.
holy shoot, he's a big guy.
Pick him up.
What do you think I'm doing? I've never seen a bigger body feet in my life. Vern, he's not gonna come out of here.
Oh, we're gonna have to help you.
Vern. Holy shit!
Look at that.
Woo!
Look at the mass. Shelby,
That's a good bull.
what a stud. Shelby, he's beautiful bull.
He's stuck.
Shelby, he's beautiful bull.
He's a beautiful bull.
Got a little devil point on his
I couldn't be more
G1.
Here, hold this fluffy phone.
Yeah.
Show me.
Yep, exactly.
Freaking awesome.
320 bait, Shelby. Beautiful freaking bull.
Holy shit, his body's ginormous. Yeah, I know. Dude, he has brown hair.
Well, maybe he didn't break his beam.
Yeah, he has a broken beam. Before I shot him.
No, he don't have a broken beam.
He doesn't?
No, he's clean.
Oh, shit, he's clean.
He's clean, Shelb. What's your slate hunt? That's what you love. Oh, Shelby, beautiful.
Grab this freaking.
Shelby. Congrats, bro.
Look at this. Look at this sheep, eh?
Sit right on him. Be careful, there's a big old stick right there.
Alright.
Hey, good job. That was a heck of a night, huh? We spotted him from 2 miles away, came up, run up this hill.
Hey, we'll call you back when we're turned around.
Okay, let's get some pictures and then we'll...
In the skyline.
It looked like you was right on the freaking bullseye. And you had the same reaction me and Jungle knew you were gonna have.
Do that again. I would have the...
You had the same reaction me and Jungle knew you was gonna have.
Oh.
We can see you walking, looking up, and the bull's right beside you. And all of a sudden you look.
Well, I was like, Shelby, there he is.
I was behind her and I didn't see him. We said,
Had it jumped up and stood there and looked at your face, and Kevin sat there, shoot, Shelby,
I didn't see it.
shoot, shoot.
Shelby, it took Shelby a minute to see it.
Because I was behind her and then I stepped in front and I
Oh
looked.
God!
Are you proud of me?
Yeah, that was
Hey, good job spotting, Billy.
Yeah.
You have to have a spotter in a situation like that. We got up there and we didn't know where the freak we were.
It worked out good.
So I knew that little clay bank was our target spot.
Look at this.
But
Huh?
We should have you video.
Well, I was too busy. I was too worried.
what do you think, Jungle?
I think it's a nice 320 bowl.
Yep.
Inside goes a little hook on the
Yep.
back. Got a devil's point.
Yep.
It's a clean.
I was too. I thought
Busted
I had
point.
planned on videoing it through the
It's all
skull.
320. Pretty
But I was too
dark
worried about
horns,
getting
black
you to do
horns.
I just wanted to.
What do you think, man?
What?
What do you think, bro?
Pack out day. I think the girls are excited.
Pack out day. What do you think, Bill? Happy hunter, Shelby. Yeah,
Wonders what the hell she
pack out day today.
Where's the other one?
Just getting ourselves jived up.
Mine was
she's walked past.
Mine's one.
It's recovery day. We got the whole crew here. Other than we're missing Tosh and the kids and the mother. We've got Jungle. Tyler, Shelby, Ave, Billy. This right here is where Billy and Jungle is sitting, guiding us to the bull, which is clear up there, about right there.
Yep.
So now the trek up, going up light, coming out heavy.
Jungle walked up on a cougar. So where was
Well, we made it up.
Shot?
Over this way was this time.
Made it up here. Well, to where Shelby shot. What do you think, Shelb?
Awesome, Dad.
Free-handed him.
Free hand.
Sure is a lot farther away than it looked down there.
There. I got my different lens on today, but
this way with it. And he ran back. I thought Shelby was shooting that way.
He's laying right there. So
Lining up.
Billy. Tyler's got the head. Front. He got the back straps. Headed down.
She's like,
Okay, Shelby. Look at me, Shelby. Nice.